Hey there, this is going to be a quick installation video on how you can upgrade your ODIN Speedloader using the silicone dampeners, the BB retention O-ring, or our upcoming BB cap with the unloader thing that also helps with the silicone dampeners. And yeah, so let's get started. Let's move these aside. The first thing you want to do is remove all the screws on the ODIN Speedloader. I've already removed 4, so I'll go ahead and remove the last 2. That's 2. Go ahead and open it up. Here you have the cap. That's the first thing. We'll put that aside. We'll be upgrading that. Next up, you want to go ahead for the nozzle upgrade or replacement. You'll want to go ahead and remove these 4 screws. So let's go ahead and do that. So that's 4 screws. We can pop this open, and as you can see, this is the nozzle. We can just take it out and use it and replace it with our TRIDOS.DESIGN nozzle with the BB retention O-ring installed right here. So we'll want to go ahead and install it. It doesn't really matter which direction the O-ring patch is oriented, just placed in there. This is also a good time if you have a repair kit and you're planning to install it on the clutch. This is also a good starting point. You just have to remove this one and replace the parts you need. We'll go ahead and put the O-ring back in place, install back the this piece, and then start reinstalling these screws. This procedure also applies for the clone speedloaders. Just keep in mind, most clone ODIN adapters don't really have these brass inserts, so be careful on how much torque you're applying when reinstalling the screws. Just make sure to apply some tightness, some force to the screws. So that's ready to go. As you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, but yeah, the nozzle is in place and ready to go. This is also a good time to install the silicone dampeners. We really like them. They're expensive as fuck, but they really do help. And if you're carrying the ODIN Speedloader on the field, these are a must-have, genuinely a must-have. So yeah, these make your BBs rattle a lot less. And if you're carrying this in the backpack, it's almost silent. You can still hear it, but it's nowhere near the rattle machine that the ODIN adapter is without these. So all you have to do is just lay them in like so. Just make sure that they're fully in there, seated properly, like so. So these are done. And the last thing I'll go ahead and install is our upcoming cap that helps with the silicone. So the issue with the silicone dampeners is that once you install them, it's really tricky to pour the BBs in from the bottle or from the bag because these flaps don't really go down by itself, and the weight of the BBs is not enough for them to fall in easily. So what this cap does is, this is something that's in the development, but essentially it just helps to push the silicone dampener down, and also you can go ahead and just dump a magazine through this nozzle right here back into the speedloader in case you have some unused BBs. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So we'll go ahead and place this in the place of the original cap. Go ahead and carefully line this up. Make sure that everything's in place. And that's pretty much it. All you have to do is reinstall the screws. Just go in a diagonal manner. Don't apply too much torque. Same goes for the same goes for the clones. Just make sure you don't over tighten them, and that's pretty much it. That's all you need to do to upgrade your ODIN Speedloader. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just reinstall the rest of the screws and you're good to go. And you can go ahead and enjoy the ODIN Speedloader in a new daylight.